I'm going to walk you through a fun side hustle that you could turn into a full-time business. And it literally books clients for me while I sleep. It's simple, it's automated, it works like clockwork, and it doesn't require any tech skills. In fact, if you smash that like button, hit subscribe, comment amazing, I'm going to give you this full checklist here, including frequently asked questions, different things that you need, the software that we're going to use, including some blueprints, including some templates that you'll be able to use once you download that software. So smash that like button, comment amazing, and let's dive into this. So I own a marketing company, and most people try to book appointments sending endless DMs, cold emails, just praying that someone fills out the form to their website. But this simple 5-minute automation fixes all of that. And I literally see I try to express my concerns to certain clients, and it just doesn't. They look at that they need a call center, they need this, but I'm going to show you how to use this AI tool, instantly respond to leads, qualify them automatically, and get people booked directly onto your calendar without lifting a finger. So anybody can do this. I'm not here to sell you a coaching course. I'm not here to sell you some high ticket class or whatever it is. I'm here to give you free information, free resources, and then you can build on it. In fact, I'm going to give you a 30-day extended trial on the software that we're using. And so literally you can book these clients with no cold calls, no virtual assistants, no tech headaches, and all you need to get this started is a laptop and an internet connection. Now, there's no guaranteed on any income here, but we're going to show you how to build this and how you would collect that money from clients with the passive income over and over and over. So let's get into it and really dive deep into this and go through step by step on how to do that. So here's what we're doing. We're working with small local business owners. So we're not looking for these big companies with massive marketing teams. We're talking about small individual businesses like dentists, plumbers, med spas, people in your neighborhood that want to grow their business. And to be clear here, this is not your typical SMMA type of business where you're offering a service for $1,500 to $2,000 a month. There's a lot of companies out there offering lead generation and doing leads and different things like that and charging per lead. But we're working with small business owners, and personally, I have not seen this being marketed out there at all. There's a lot of things that say, I'll get you 5 to 10 leads, I'll get you 10 to 20 leads. But this is different and it's affordable for the businesses. So we go and we find these businesses on Google or any search engine, whether it's Bing or DuckDuckGo or whatever. But I use Google because we've got these maps here. And then I use a Google extension that's free to scrape these leads out of here. And basically it just goes in. It's called Instant Data Scraper. And that'll go in and grab the leads that we need to get out of here and get them into a spreadsheet, a database that we can just automatically email, call, whatever we need to do to get these businesses on board. Now, we're going to teach you the pitch and how to go about this and the price point of what to offer here, because like I said, nobody's offering this right now. So it's about a 5-minute setup. It delivers massive value from day one. And we charge $300 to $500 per client. That's it. And you imagine setting up 10 clients and you're looking at $3,000 to $5,000 per month passive every single month for something that you only built once. So there's something called the 5 minute rule, and that's why we have this automation called the 5 minute rule automation. And the concept behind it is studied by Harvard, and it's what they found was if a lead comes in and you wait 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes to follow up, the odds of closing that lead drops 100 times. Imagine that. So this is 10x, 100x. So wait 10 minutes and it goes down. Already it's 75% down. So this 5 minute delay keeps going on, and the chances of qualifying or getting that lead go to zero. So these small businesses, the problem is they are not marketers. They're plumbers, they're electricians. They went into this business with little marketing schools or skills, and they don't have the time to get on the phone every 2 minutes and follow up with leads or patients or clients or whatever it is. They're working their job, they're running their business, and they're trying to stay afloat. So that's where this comes in and automates everything for them. So imagine being able to tell this business that we can put in this 5 minute rule that follows up, bam, 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 right away, and tell them about the Harvard study that lead drops 100 times. They're going to jump on board real quick. So let's dive in and show you the solution and how it goes. Okay, we're inside the software, and in that checklist there that we're providing, it's GoHighLevel. So we have white labeled this, and you can do the same and white label the software and sell it as your own. So you can create your own company, but you don't have to do that right away. You can just start with the basics and go forward with that. And now you don't need any tech skills because this is already set up inside this software for you. So we go in here under automation, and it is as easy as a few clicks here. You create a workflow. You start from select a recipe, and that's what they call their templates. And we're looking for the Fast 5 here. All you do is click on this Fast 5. And this is the 5 minute lead nurture. That's what it's called. So we go ahead and we just click on this, and we can name this or just leave it. Maybe it's a client. It's plumbing 123 or something like that. So the first thing it does, the lead comes in. Okay, so we set it up as a trigger. It might come in from their contact form or a phone call or something like that. That's the trigger that activates everything. And then we go in, it creates an opportunity, which means that there's an opportunity to have sales for the business. They claim the offer. So whatever that offer is that they're redeeming, maybe it's a free inspection for HVAC, for filters or something like that. And then they also get that via text. So this is literally built out step by step for you. And then we wait a couple of minutes. And then if they don't reply or they reply, we go down and let's just say that they did reply. If the reply was positive, they said yes, then we send them a booking link. We can also send them an internal notification to the business owner to let them know that, hey, we've got a positive reply here. Great, here's the link. And they go out and are able to do this. Now, if they did not connect, this is where the Fast 5 really works well. So they will connect a call, and it will automatically connect that call with the business owner to get them out there and connect it. And then if they don't answer, you can record a pre-recorded message. Hey, this is Plumbing 123. We received your request and we'd like to connect with you. And here's the beauty of this. You can wait a day, and if they haven't replied, we can set up just by clicking on the plus sign and send an email or another voice drop, and we can add that into the workflow here. So it does literally everything for you, but the key here is that automatic reply within 5 minutes and getting them the satisfaction what they're looking for. And understand that clients are looking for immediate gratification. So when they are ready to purchase, they are ready to purchase. No different than when you go to Walmart, when you go to Home Depot. If you are looking to buy something, you're looking to buy it right now. And so when they want a service, they want it right now. And the last thing you have to do is just flip this over to publish, hit save here, and you're ready to go live with that client. Now remember, in this software, you can take payments, you can invoice. So remember, we were talking about $300 to $500 per month. And this is a software that would be included in this for that client. And you can accept the payments right through this. So again, if you want a full blueprint of this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, comment, and we will get this out to you right away.